As you might know, that this channel is all about providing support for people in creative media and for tech-savvy consumers. Of course, that's what I love to do best, assisting you in step-by-step guides, tips and tricks, tutorials, and so much more. This is geared towards perfecting our craft and improving productivity. I love research. I love to teach and share ideas, and by doing so, I learn a lot as well. A lot goes into content creation. You get to think of topic concept, do a lot of research, of course, write script, sit in front of that camera to film, later go to the editing desk to create good visuals. Honestly, it can be very stressful. For me, it's passion driven, so I have to do what I have to do. My name is Demolaure, and I'm here to serve you in the best way I can. So if you have any questions or topics in this niche that you would like me to cover in my videos, I'll be glad to do so. Also, if you have any contributions or concerns as to making this channel get better, you're welcome. Share the love by leaving a comment below. Share my videos, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so that you get to see more amazing content. See you on the next one.